Hello everyone, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this car drift burnout effect in Unreal Engine 5 Niagara. And if I rotate this, you can see this effect is linked with this car, although my car is not running, it's not moving. But you can also link it in Blueprint if you want it with moving car with some keys, but I just created this effect. So this effect was actually requested. I got this mail from this guy and he wanted this is burnout effect for something his his project. So I got some references out, and this video has also this exhaust system. So if you want to do that, if you want to create that, I have already a tutorial for that. I'm using same scene, just added the smoke here. So let's start this tutorial. So I created it very quickly. I didn't have any time, and I really wanted to fulfill his request, so I just created very quickly with just one texture. I didn't use multiple texture or anything for it. So let me show you how